Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Dylan.
How old are you?
8. 4.
You're 4 or 8?
8.
You're 4.
8. 8. I'm Charles and I'm 8.
You're Charles.
And I'm 8.
Look at your little body you got, huh?
Kind of this. That.
Charles and me.
Charles and...
Right, Charles?
Yeah.
He looks just like his gorgeous mom. So does he. Actually, he looks like his dad. Right, Joe? Who do you look like, Daddy or Mommy?
Who do you look like? Daddy.
Daddy. Alright. Well, I'm going to shut this. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later, alligator.
See you later.